Oh, hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 22.
Tutu.
And I want pancakes. Give me cakes, hungry. But I want protein pancakes. And you know what? Sometimes protein pancakes can be a real drag. Because you got to cook it on the stove and then you only do one at a time, blah, blah, blah. I want it in a hurry and I want it now. I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Yes, so I'm going to attempt to make protein pancakes in the microwave. A pancake bowl. I was doom scrolling yesterday and I was like, wow, how is that girl making pancake bowl in the microwave?
Well,
so let's try it.
Let's give it a go.
I didn't do it yet, so this could be a horrible fail that's going in the garbage or the trash. But I'm going to give it a try. So, I've got my beautiful Earth Chip protein powder here. What does that say? Vanilla protein powder. Okay. Is it actually vanilla?
I think.
Or is it peanut butter?
Oh, I don't know. Why that's like an old container that you put it in?
I don't even know.
With like a different label? I think you'll know quickly when you smell it what
You know
it
what?
is.
I'm going to put 2 scoops. Wow, I hope that's not too much.
No, because I feel like when you use a protein powder, you use 2 scoops.
Is it 2?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it depends.
Sometimes it's 1.
Depends on the scoop.
Daughter, please.
Mine is 2.
Alright, well, I think this is 1/3 of a cup. So let's do 1/3 of a cup of flour. Wow, it seems like a lot.
And this is a gluten-free?
This is gluten-free Measure for Measure flour. I believe this is the King Arthur one.
Okay.
Also, I don't feel like a banana. I'm sick of bananas right now. So, even though I haven't had one in like a year.
I was going to say, when do you ever eat banana?
I don't. So I'm going to have some of the Just Egg that I made as a binder. So I'm going to put that in. Might as well finish it up because like I don't want 2 tablespoons hanging around for nothing. And I'm going to make some fresh one for tomorrow.
There you go.
More protein. Wait, there's more in here. Will it ever stop? Where is it all coming from? All right, I don't care. That's enough.
You're very whiny today.
I know, because I'm hungry. I want it now. Of course, we've got to add some liquid, right? So I'm using this Califia Farms Oat Barista blend because I don't have any other thing that I can have. The only thing we have in there right now is almond milk, and almond milk and me don't get along. So let's just do let's feel our way out, like in Greece.
Okay.
Feel your way. I'm also doing this in a silicone just in case it sticks because, you know.
Good idea.
Right? I wonder if we use too much flour.
I don't know. I think it looks good. I find that protein batter, like protein pancake batter, tends to be on the thicker side.
Really? I always thought it was too thin.
No, it's thick. Thickums.
You know what we forgot? A little baking powder.
Yes.
Let's see if we can get a little bit in there right now. Baking powder. Close up those cabinets. Wish it into the cornfield. So since this is gluten-free, I'm going to use like 2/3 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Because, you know, we need a little extra lift. The gluten-free. Yeah. So let's try and do our best to get this all mixed up.
Yummy.
And of course, this is one of those collapsible bowls in danger of collapsing like this. I think it's still too thick. I think we need a little more liquid.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to be popping this into the micro for 2 minutes. Don't look in my microwave. You will get sucked into the vortex. It's bad.
Oh, God. That looks good.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's flatten it out.
So this is going to be one giant pancake.
This is going to be a fluffy bowl of pancake.
Okay.
I think I can handle it.
I'm sure.
I'm sure I can. We're also, for funsies, going to add some blueberries on the top.
Ooh.
Baked in a little bit. We're going to put other toppings too, but
Blueberry encrusted.
I want the blueberries to be hot. I love hot fruit.
Yes.
Get in there. All right, one more. Perfect. Let's take it to the microwave, but don't look inside. Don't look. Don't look.
Ew!
2 minutes. Bye.
What's going on?
Well, I ended up putting it in for 4 minutes because
it still looked...
it looks kind of soupy in the middle, but like the sides are pretty good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I figured if it's too soupy in the middle, let's just eat around the outside, and then we can pop the middle part back in for like another minute.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So I don't like syrup on my pancakes in the morning because too much sugar makes me feel like I'm going to puke.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to use a little bit of this.
Oh my god, this stuff is heavenly.
Chocolate sunflower butter. Sun butter. So
Yummy, yummy.
let's just put a little bit of this on here. Oh, it's a little thick.
Mm. You don't know that that's going to spread.
Well, I mean, if we
It'll
let
melt.
Yeah, we'll let it melt a little bit. So we'll put a couple of dollops of that. Oh,
Woo.
so nice.
Are you tearing this up?
I'm tearing it up. Well, would you like to taste it?
Sure.
All right. Well, let me get another
I love a
dollop
good
on
pancake.
here. Yeah, of course. All right, maybe one more dollop.
Oh my goodness.
It's extra protein.
It is.
And extra chocolate. Obviously, if I was using a chocolate protein powder, I probably wouldn't.
I would.
I have chocolate lipstick now. All right, you try it. You try it. You burn your mouth.
Mm-hmm. That's how it's gonna be.
Make sure you get a little bit of everything.
Well, let me get it without the
All right.
the sunflower butter. Because I already know that that's going to
Well,
be
be careful,
incredible.
because I'm sure those blueberries are little
Oh,
lava
yeah.
rocks.
I'm sure. Little lava gushers.
Gushers, yeah.
Smells good.
Good.
Huh.
Oh, no!
Tastes really good, though.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry you burned yourself.
It's okay. Yeah, that's good.
The
It tastes like
outside's
pancake.
good, right?
Yeah, the texture on the outside, anyway. Very
Dare
nice.
you try the inside?
Sure.
No.
That's straight up batter.
Yeah.
But
if you eat around the outside,
and
then
then
pop it back in, and
I
it's
think
like, oh, second breakfast.
it's just because it's so dense.
Right.
I think that.
I think I kind of like doubled it.
Yeah, I think you did.
Yeah.
But it's very, very tasty.
Oh.
And the
thank you.
blueberries, once they cool down a little bit, are going to be wonderful. The chocolate sun butter.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's really tasty, and it's good if you don't want to like stand in front of the stove.
And
'cause
I don't.
I made pancakes yesterday morning, and I was standing in front of the stove,
Was it
and
a
I was
drag?
like, I wanted to eat.
It was a drag, right?
It's a drag when you gotta wait, but
Yeah.
yeah, delicious.
Wonderful. I
So I
wonder
hope
if
you
I
enjoy
put a
that.
little less liquid, it might have also cooked faster.
Maybe. I just feel like protein pancakes in general, it's a thicker batter.
Yeah.
You gotta do like a low heat for like a long time.
Yeah. I think maybe a little bit less liquid would have helped the whole situation out.
Could be. But I hope you enjoy that,
Oh,
ma'am.
I will. I'm ready
It's
to
very
dive
yummy.
in.
I would eat more, but I don't want to eat your breakfast.
I
Because this
know.
is literally, you're about to eat this for breakfast.
Yeah, but I mean, you can have some if you want.
It's okay. I'm going to have a Just Eggs Yummy.
I know. All right. Well,
But-
enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. So thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you've made pancakes in the microwave before and what that experience was
Yeah.
like for you.
Or if you have any tips.
Yes. And thanks again for watching. And until next time, much love.